Digital signatures. So I did not end up passing out the last page of your syllabus. I had copies of that syllabus ready to go for you and didn't pass it out. So here are the steps you can take to sign it digitally. Now that you guys have touch screens, you should be able to do this. I'm going to walk you through this. So the first thing is you have to access the syllabus. You can access it through Canvas, or it might be like on your shared drive if you opened it while you were signed into Google. So I need the 1819 syllabus. Okay. Text syllabus. Let's see. Here it is. Okay. Step 1. Here's the syllabus. It's open. I'm going to choose the control print. So, and it's going to open a print dialog. Once it opens the print dialog, you're going to change this. And you should have an option to send a OneNote. And a lot of you guys are like, what's OneNote? Well, here's your brief introduction to OneNote. I only need the last page. So over here, when I scrolled all the way down there, and my face is in the way, if I click on this page, oh, well, it gave me an icon. It said page 7. I only want to print page 7 and make sure it says send to OneNote. OneNote's a really cool program, and it's really useful for doing notes and being able to like draw. So my son, I'll pull that up so he can like color on my screen because he thinks it's cool. So print to OneNote. Then it's going to open up this purple icon you see here. And for me, you guys just probably have like, you don't have all these tabs. Yours is just like I don't even know what the unnamed tab is, but pick a place to put it. For me, I'll just put it in my summer physics course. If you've never touched OneNote, you might have to set something up. But here it prints right here. What's cool about this is there should be a draw tab. And for you, you're going to have to turn on draw with touch. And that's when you can, hang on, I want to take that off so I can zoom in a little bit. So you can zoom in, right? And then I'm going to draw with touch, and that's where I'm going to sign. So I'm signing with my finger, and I realized I did it wrong. Notice student name, student signature. Oops. Grab the eraser. Cool thing, even if you're signing in pen. So now I'm going to put Christine. And then my signature. There you go. Okay. And then you can just turn off the draw with touch, scroll down, let your parents sign it, draw with touch. Mom, whatever your last name is, and then their signature. Right? Parent signature, parent name, and then the final step to make this work is turn off draw with touch. Okay. Bigger. I want you to be large. Okay. Then you're going to go to File. You should be able to, you can either print or export. I would say just export, and then you're going to export this as a PDF, right? Export. Where do you want to save it? If you have not made files yet, that's going to be an assignment. So make sure you're saving it in. Take this time and do this. Save it in your drive. You should, oh look, I already have a text one. And do not save it as printout. Please don't save it as printout. You should save it as like syllabus signature page. Because if for some reason it doesn't submit on Canvas, you're going to need to resubmit it, and you will most likely not remember printout as the title. You'll be looking for something syllabus. So that's my other suggestion. Always Name it something that makes sense, not a stupid name, because stupid names you'll never find again. All right, there you go.